All right, language explorers, let's look at this Wednesday's adjective. So green, green, green. I have a green book. Green book. The colour. It is green grass. Very good. I have a green book. Yeah. How cool is that? Green book. I don't have many green things. I don't have many green things. No. Do you see those green trees? Do you see those green trees? Not just trees, but green trees. We think those green trees are clean, fresh, new, fresh. Yeah. That was a green book. Yes. We read some green books. Yeah. I like those green hats. Hats? Those green hats. Nice. It might be my green anything. Green car, for example. That might be my green car. Yeah. It is a green bag. Yeah. The phone is not green. It is red. Red, not green. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? We're going to buy a green hat. All right then. If there's any colour hat you want, if there is any colour hat you want, then you might as well get a green one. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So green, the colour. So, can you use green in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for Adrian Nanchev or English with Adrian. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.